Oriental poppy. These beautiful large flowers can reach up to 25 centimeters in diameter and have petals that resemble crumpled paper. Although the most common color of Papaver oriental is deep red, there are also varieties in shades of pink and purple. It is sown in early spring and blooms in May. It is a low-maintenance perennial, ideal for decorating gardens without any fuss. 2. Mayflower. As its name suggests, this flower reaches its peak bloom during the month of May. Plumeria rubra is a slender tree that can grow up to 3 meters tall and produces 5-petaled flowers with a yellow center and pink or white edges. These flowers, besides being beautiful, give off a sweet, perfume-like fragrance. Native to Mexico and Central America, it is now found in many tropical and subtropical regions. 3. Peonies. The peonia species is a flower highly valued in gardening and floristry for its elegance. It has abundant, tightly packed petals and comes in a wide range of colors: pink, red, white, or purple. It blooms in May and reaches a height of up to 90 centimeters. It is recommended to plant it from bulbs or young plants, as germination from seed is difficult. 4. Primrose. The flowers of Primula polyantha grow in clusters on a low clump of green leaves. They are small but very showy and can be found in colors such as red, pink, white, yellow, orange, and purple, all with the characteristic yellow center. They bloom between April and May. 5. Late flowering azaleas. Rhododendron species, commonly known as azaleas, are shrubs that bloom in rosettes. Some varieties flower in May and are known as late blooming. Among these are Rhododendron decorum, with its highly fragrant white flowers, Rhododendron dexter 858, with its pale purple exterior and white center, and Rhododendron dopey, with its red flowers and elongated leaves. 6. Roses. Roses, Rosa species, begin to bloom in mid-May and can continue into summer with proper care. They're classic garden flowers, with a range of colors from red to white, including pink, yellow, and even bluish tones. They need full sun, regular watering, and well-drained soil. 7. Daisies. Bellis perennis is a simple yet charming flower, widely used as ground cover due to its ability to spread along the ground. Its classic form with a yellow center and white petals can also vary, with cultivars having pink or double petals. They begin to bloom in May and add a natural and cheerful touch to any green space. 8. Geraniums. Pelargonium species are very popular flowers due to their hardiness and long flowering period, which begins in spring and can extend into autumn. They bloom profusely in May when the weather warms up. They come in a wide variety of colors such as red, white, and pink, and are ideal for balconies, patios, and pots. 9. Thoughts. With its striking combinations of colors in a single flower, purples, oranges, yellows, and whites, Viola hybrid with Rockiana is a small plant that blooms from April to June, reaching its peak in May. It adapts well to both pots and the ground, and with proper watering, flowering can last for several weeks. 10. Agapanthus. Agapanthus species is a highly decorative plant that blooms from May to September. It produces tall stems up to 90 centimeters that culminate in flower clusters of small blue or white bells. Furthermore, it is a cold hardy and highly valued for adding color to both public and private gardens. If you want to continue learning about plant care, don't miss the playlist we've included here. Tell us, would you like to add any of these May flowers to your garden? Until next time, ecologists!